Okay, guys, let's start then. So the agenda here would be that we'll be briefing you about the entire course structure, fees, who all would be the faculty members who will be taking this crash course, what all things are included, what has been our feedback so far. So this is going to be our fourth and the final batch. We have had three batches so far for CAT 2020. And what has been our past results. People who don't know PrepZone, because we are still a startup, will just brief you in a slide about who we are actually. So this first slide is about the past results. CAT 2019 was our first year in which we had a batch strength of around 60 to 70 students, out of which 90% have scored above 85 percentile, and we had 10 students who scored above 99 percentile. And then GDPI is our flagship program where we always have an intake of 100 students. Out of 100 this year, 96 students have joined their B school, and almost it is basically a conversion of 525%, which basically mean that out of 100 students, we had a total converts of 525. Then a very brief slide on who are we. It's an initiative by IIM Calcutta alumni, that's me. And this PrepZone was basically started in 2018. And all the mentors here are either top IIM graduates, be it from IIM EBC, Lucknow, Indore, or they'll be highly experienced faculty like Tanveer sir, who have 15 plus years of experience in teaching and dealing with students.
Hi guys.
And what is so unique about us is that we don't only help you with the CAT preparation, but we help you in the entire MBA chain. We help you with the CAT preparation, then we'll help you with the GDPR, then we'll help you with the CV making, then we'll also help you with the case competitions, internships, and even final placements. So it basically covers the entire supply chain of MBA journey. That's pretty much. And key stats of our past results is this, which I have already spoken in my first slide. So I'll just skim through. If you want to read testimonials of what students have to say about us, you can refer to our website. So this is the result of previous year CAT. And the first few guys, Moaz, Mihir, Sachin, these guys were in our booster courses last year. So we had around 27 to 28 students last year in our booster courses. We always keep a maximum batch strength of 50 so as to enable us to give personalized attention to each and everyone. And results are that almost 40% of the batch, which is around 25 to 30 students, have scored above 99 percentile, highest being Moaz Hidar, who is here, 99.91. So this is from the CAT batches, and this is from the GDPI batches. These are the students who have gone across different IIMs. You can find their testimonials on our YouTube channel and all. These are the stats that around 80% students have converted at least one B school. So this percentage has now gone to 97 because more waitlisting movements has happened recently. So around 97% have converted. That's pretty much about the past results. And so now let me just brief you about what is so special about the booster courses. As I have already spoken, last year 40% plus students have only taken the booster courses, and booster courses is basically made in such a way that it will be very precise, to the point, and it will just be focusing on the concept and the practice sessions. There'll be no random theories, no random topics which are not really asked in CAT. So here, pure focus is only on CAT syllabus. The course curriculum is designed by me, Rajat sir, and Tanveer sir. So that has a mix of experience as well as recent pattern of CAT. The batch size will be small, as I've already mentioned. It won't be more than 50 students. And it is definitely the most affordable in the relevant course for CAT. You can see it yourself when we talk about the pricing. And what all things are included in the course? You can just have a look. I'll also read it. 2 months. So a course duration is 2 months. Will start from September 10 and course will be finished by November 1st week. Overall, it includes 70 plus hours of live sessions. How the curriculum is structured, that we will talk about in the subsequent slides. For Quant, we will have concept videos of each and every important topics, which will have the summary of the entire topic, and it will have some trick and shortcut videos as well. For DLR, there'll be almost one set on a daily basis. For VRC, Tanveer sir would be briefing you in the subsequent slides. And here we'll be taking chapter by chapter pedagogy. So we will be covering each chapter, and I will always be available for any sort of personalized question. If you need to connect with me on call about your overall strategy or anything else, you can directly speak to me. I'll be the single point of contact for any of your non-course related queries. And 24 cross 7 doubt sessions with the mentors which involves me, Prashant, Tanveer sir, and Rajat sir. These are the faculty profiles. You can have a look. The first one is me. I graduated from IIM Calcutta in 2018. My percentile was 99.65. In DILR, I had 99.96, and this was quant. Regarding my teaching experience, I have close to 6 years of teaching experience. I also got an opportunity to teach with Tanveer sir as well. We both were teaching at time Calcutta. I think that's pretty much about me. Rest, yeah, Tanveer sir, you can speak about yourself.
So, well, I've been around, you can call me the dinosaur of the CAT prep page. I've been around for quite some time, and I worked with Time, had a great experience there. Then I kind of branched out on my own. So I've been there with Time, IMS, Erudite, been through the pedagogy of all the institutes, and whatever I've gleaned from that, I've been teaching in over the last 2-3 years on my own, so that students can benefit. And actually, what I found in my own area is that people have a problem with WARC because of the background. Maybe they have not approached it properly, and that causes issues when it comes to the exam. But once once you go through the WARC design here, you'll realize that it will help you a lot. We go for your overall development. It's not just about the exam we're focusing on. Will help you really develop. You will definitely clear the CAT exam with a very high percentile. But beyond that, we're also kind of focused that you're doing well in your GDPI, etc. As Shubham already mentioned, our focus is very much long term. We make sure it's not only CAT that you're looking at. We make sure that you become a good, successful MBA student. And that's about it from my side. Hopefully, we shall be able to work together, and it'll be a great experience for you. Looking forward to teaching many of you. That's it from my side, Shubham. Thank you.
Next, Rajat sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi all. Hi Shubham. Hi Tanveer sir. Hello everyone. I'm not as experienced as Tanveer sir, not even close. But yes, this is something that I really thrive on. This is something that I really love doing, which is why after my MBA from finance, I had decided to join this industry as a mentor. And this is something that I enjoy as my passion. And since the past 4 years or so, I've been taking classes for CAT and mentoring people throughout their preparation days. And as correctly mentioned by both of them, we don't just focus on the exams. We always put very high, let's say, focus on our methodologies as far as your cracking of B schools is concerned, because I hope everyone of you just doesn't wish to clear these exams with very high percentiles. The end goal is to be able to get that coveted seat at your target B school, right? So that's where we'll focus throughout this preparation. So we won't leave you until you get that target B school. That's our primary focus. And I'll be taking care of your quant and DLR as far as the course is concerned. Over to you, Shubham.
Sure. Thanks, Rajat and Tanveer sir, for the introduction. Next slide is about the batch feedback. So this is about the batch 2 feedback and batch 3 feedbacks. These are the current CAT batches. You can just have a look of what students have to say. So yeah, this last feedback is about the Rajat sir, and these are the other feedback of DILR and quant and so on and so forth. I'll just pause here for 15 seconds so that you can have a glance, and then we'll move forward. So Subarta is a last year student who joined IIM Ahmedabad this year. And apart from that, the other feedbacks are from the existing students. Next is this slide. This is the batch 3 feedback. And batch 2 as well, yeah. So you can just have a glance, and then we'll move forward to the very important slide, which will talk about the curriculum of this crash course. So this is just a mixed feedback I wanted to put forward so that you also have uh, a trust factor, because these things are directly coming from the students. Next slide is the slide that you guys have been waiting for. So here, I'll just brief you about the entire course. It will be starting from September 10th. The duration would be 2 months. Class timings and mode would be, classes would be happening on Zoom live from 9 p.m. onwards. And once a class is held, recordings will be uploaded on the secret Facebook group where you will be added. So you will be having access to our WhatsApp group where all the mentors and the enrolled students would be there. And second, you will be having access to our secret Facebook groups for individual sections where content assignments, sessions, everything will be uploaded. So if you miss anything, you can always go back to the group and watch the video again. So this will be available to you till January 2021. Next is about QA, which I'll hand over to Rajat sir to speak about. And this is what you can have a look at.
Yes. So guys, as Shubham correctly mentioned, so this is something that we worked upon collectively, and this is what we came up with. But he was just saying something about you missing the sessions and them probably having a look at the recorded videos. But this is something that I really would want to focus against, because I hope you all understand the importance of these courses and these exams. And this is just a 2-month duration course that is left before your CAT exam. So please do not depend on watching the recorded videos. And that's something that I have always asked my students also, that they always prefer to attend the live lectures, right? So matlab, please bear in mind that fact, to attend the live sessions as far as possible and not depend on the recorded videos. Right. So QA methodology, 10 concept videos covering every important chapter. In fact, every chapter. So there are around 25 to 30 chapters in Quant, which will be covered through 10 concept videos. They will be uploaded on the morning of the day. And for each of those 25, 30 chapters, we have assignments. So the videos will combine chapters. Let's say we have percentage, profit loss, and SICI in a one combined video. Every concept linked to that percentage, while entire topic will be taught to you, but the assignments will be chapter wise. So percentage will have a separate assignment, and SICI will have a separate assignment. And the assignments will be very much on a testing based format, wherein you'll be asked to solve a particular set of questions in a particular amount of time. And that is what we'll discuss during our discussion sessions as far as doubts are concerned. An advanced practice assignment, yes. So the practice assignment will be more or less very much strictly on the CAT basis, previous year CAT questions ke basis pe, and whatever the difficulty levels of the questions are expected of. And then attempting the assignments, as correctly mentioned, is mandatory, obviously, because unless you attempt the assignment, you will not be able to justify the doubt session attendance. Next day, the assignments discussion will happen live, as I already discussed. So in total, there will be around at least 500 questions of exact pattern on CAT, as has been happening for the past, 7-8 years since CAT changed its pattern. So yes, please do focus videos. The videos will be covering every concept from the basics to the advanced level, covering exam specific concepts also. So like during my videos, I'll be telling you very specifically what kind of questions to expect in what exams. CAT mein ye wale questions aayenge, IFT SNAP mein you might expect this level of questions, and so on and so forth. So please make sure you attend the sessions, you watch the videos, and you also attend the doubt discussions. That's what QA is all about.
Thanks, Rajat. Next is DILR. So guys, meanwhile, if you have any questions or anything to ask, you can just put it in the chat box, and then we can take these questions after the session.
Yeah, so I am seeing one particular question being put up by Sai Kumar. Is it possible to enroll only for VRC? Yes, Sai. Yes. We will be discussing the courses and the enrollments later on during the session, and it's possible. Yeah, so coming back to DILR, concept videos for the common topics. So DILR will be very much strictly focused on only CAT. So QA will be focused on all the exams, but since all of you must be aware that LRDI is one section where CAT has been differentiating itself from the other exams over the past 6-7 years. So यहाँ पे हम strictly सिर्फ CAT basis पे topics की presentations करेंगे. It will be 50 sets exactly on the CAT basis. तो वो 50 बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब Shubham sir and I have sat down already to brainstorm a lot on those particular sets and the choice. And so we have filtered out the 50 most crucial and important sets for you guys. जिसके sets will be put up on a 4 to 5 sets ka basis on the mornings. So let's say QA happened today. So most probably DILR will be happening tomorrow. So DILR ka aapke 4 ya 5 sets will be put up on the group for you to solve. And after the solving part has been done, let's say the same day or the next day, we'll be uploading the entire video session for the same. So please make sure you attempt the sets, keeping the time duration in mind. So that's something that we've planned very diligently, that 4 sets apart from the last 2 sessions where we have 5 sets each. But generally speaking, we have 4 sets each to be put up on a daily basis. And we'll be solving those sets, keeping a time duration of 15 minutes per set in mind. So as most of you would be aware, that timing is the most crucial aspect. So not more than 15 minutes should be devoted to any particular set while you're solving it in the testing format. Uske baad, obviously, once you're done with the entire test of 4 sets, you can devote as much time before the video solution has been put up, as much time as you please. So please make sure you understand this entire methodology, and please ask questions if at all you have such questions.
Yes. So that was it about QA and DILR. Before moving to VRC, I just want to highlight one thing. We have seen students from a past experience that people get so much enthusiastic in the beginning, but then after 15 days, after 20 days, after 30 days, that level of Josh keeps on getting low. So guys, this is the crash course and you only have 2 months to go, 2 to 2.5 months to go. So here, please only enroll if you are ensuring that you will be there on time, because if you're missing anything, there'll be a lot of things happening in one session. Class duration might be of 2 hours, 2.5 hours, might be of 3 hours as well, because we are as close to CAT and there are a lot of things to discuss and practice. So you have to ensure that you attend everything live, do everything within the timelines, because even if you have a backlog of 1 or 2 days, that will keep on getting compiled till your CAT. And then you'll start feeling demotivated about it. So make sure that you are on time and deadlines would be definitely sacrosanct. Last is the VRC one, which I'll request Tanveer sir to talk about.
Right. Thank you, Shubham. So as you can see on the screen, we have planned 15 live sessions of 2 hours each for VRC. But beyond this, let me emphasize, when we are doing VRC, the idea is to develop RC as a whole, as part of your improvement in your personality itself. So you will pay a lot of attention, personalized attention through VRC, through the WhatsApp groups, through the Facebook groups. We will be doing this thing, and especially the idea here is that if you have watched or you've set kind of followed the pattern for the last 4 or 5 CATs, you will realize that CAT nowadays gives 5 passages of RC, which means almost 24 questions. So we will be solving almost 30 to 40 RC sets, 30 RC sets live, right? Where anything that comes into your mind, you can directly ask me why a particular option is the right option, or why I have chosen this option, why have I removed the other option. So that kind of analysis we will do, and we'll also on the side help you with the verbal part, so that your VA also develops. The role of your VA is to help you understand RC also, because even though there are only 10 questions of VA as such, but your understanding of VA definitely impacts how well you do in your RC. And 24 questions of RC you have to look at in the CAT, and that's important. The other 10 questions, of course, come from the parajumbles, the summary, and the odd man out kind of questions, which already I'm sure you're aware of. We will work that also into the sessions. So there will be live discussions of almost 125 questions covering almost all the types. So from critical reasoning to deleted sentences to a few fill in the blanks also, just in case, right? All of this will be done. So PJ, we will cover PJ essentially without any options. Your odd man out will be there, of course, and we will try to help you as much as possible so that your mark scores scale up and they do not prove to be a hindrance to get into a good B school. We will not bother you with things that are not required for the CAT. This will be completely CAT focused. Look at RC, look at your theta parajumble as they call it, looking at summaries, how to summarize, what is the essence, etc. of the passage, and also, of course, the odd man out, as I already mentioned. A few other topics will definitely cover, which have not come in the last 4 years, but there is a high probability that they might at times come go for a switch to unsettle the students. So we will keep you prepared on that. Paragraph completion, etc., and individual CR questions, and that's about it. And towards the end, once you are fairly comfortable, we will sit with the 2018 paper and the 2019 paper, and we'll say, look at the strategy of how those papers should have been attempted. I will also share with you the sources of the RC questions. Where have they been picked up from? So that way, if once you know the source of these RC passages, you can go to the source directly and try to read as much as possible from those sources, so that your vocabulary level, your thinking level, your cognitive capacity is at the same level as required by the CAT. So that's what the major thing in terms of VARC. But yes, the major thing about this work, this thing will be the personalized focus that I'll put on you. I have already been interacting with some of the prep zone students, and they would have understood that part. So that's about it from my side. Hoping that you will join this VARC course and make the best of it. We promise to get you do well, and hope that you will perform well and be in a B school this time next year. Good luck. Looking forward to seeing you people.
Thank you so much, Tanvir sir, for a wonderful introduction about the course. So guys, that was it about the entire course. How is the course planned and everything. Apart from this, you have any question, please mention it in the chat box. We'll be soon moving on to Q&A. But before going there, I think the last slide of everyone's interest is, what is the price? Can we enroll in one section or not? So here are the pricing details. The full course is 5,999 only. Only QA is 2,999. Only LRDI is 1,799, and only VARC is 2,199. And to enroll, you can just go to InstaMojo My Prep Zone. There you can see enrollment links for each and every bundle. And if anyone wants to attend demo sessions, yes, we also have demo sessions planned. September 5, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, you will be having a session by Tanvir sir. And soon after, on Sunday, you will have it from Rajat sir. Yes. So that's pretty much from my side. Now we are open to Q&A.
There are a couple of questions put up, Shubham, already.
Sure.
Please have a look.
Yeah, yes, we can have it one by one. First question is, for QA attempts remain at 19 to 22, be what the difficulty of the paper is, easy, moderate, difficult, able to attempt most of the unattempted question. Fine, Gaurav, this is private to me. Will the course have some mocks as well? So this was posted by some random person, as in someone by the name of random. So no, the course doesn't have mocks, but the course definitely has mocks analysis, as Tanvir sir has mentioned that we will be touching upon 2018 and 2019 live paper, and we'll be solving and discussing on the strategy for those. If you want some mocks for practice, you can definitely go back and buy our Hustle Pro mocks that we have launched, which has 60 plus Hustle Pro mocks. But yes, that is separately, that is not a part of the mock. For mocks, I'm sure you would be taking IMS and time already. Next is Sai Kumar. Is it possible to enroll only for VRC? Yes, Sahith, that's closed. Students enrolled for full course need to enroll for booster separately. Priyang, for the full course students of batch 2 and batch 3, they have a 30% discount, as was mentioned in the very first post. So yes, they need to enroll separately, but yes, they have a flexibility to have 30% discount. Next, sir, are the classes going to happen daily? A couple, we will be sharing the entire schedule. We have already prepared 2 months calendar of how the classes would be. In the initial 2 weeks, there'll be lesser number of classes, but number of classes are going to increase after 2 weeks. So on an average, you can expect 5 to 6 classes on a daily basis. Can we still be able to join after the demo classes? Pranit, yes, absolutely. You can have a look at the demo sessions and then you can plan to join. So I can see the timings is 9 p.m. Can it be adjusted according working professional? Kapil, the timing of the classes are already adjusted as per working professionals only. I believe 99% of the working employees get done by their office by 6 or 7 or maximum 8 p.m. Hence, we have kept the time slot of the classes from 9 p.m. onwards. And yeah, that's about it. It is adjustable, maybe 10-15 minutes plus minus, but see, before 9 p.m., not many employees would be getting free, and after 9 p.m., I think it would be too late to start. Hence, 9 p.m. looks like the optimal time, considering the working professionals. Sai Kumar, we have already answered timings for the class. It will be from 9 p.m. onwards, 9 to 11, 9 to 12. On weekends, it can be flexible as well. So because batch size would be very limited, we'll be discussing about the timings, and we are even flexible on the timings if the entire batch agrees on a particular timing. I think I've answered all the questions. If anyone has anything else, yeah.
Shubham, yeah. 1 second. Answering Kapil's question even further, Kapil, the lectures as of now also happen at 9 p.m. only, and they get extended to as late as even beyond 12 already. So I'm sure you'll be working on the next day as well, right? So in that case, I'll urge you to get free by 9. Even if you don't, whenever you get free, you join the session at that time, and you can watch the recording later for the previous part.
Sure. Tanmay has a question. Will there be separate mentorship for individual people included in this program? Yes, Tanmay. The mentorship is the USP and the flagship of PrepZone. So yes, I'll be the primary mentor. And for any subject specific concerns, you can also make an appointment with the respective faculty. You can just ping them in advance. I need to speak to you for a few minutes or hours, and then you can directly call them. Apart from this, I'll be the person who will be tracking how you're doing, how are you participating, what is your performance, how are you doing in mocks and everything else. So you can directly call me as well. Does that answer your question, Tanmay? Fair. Any other question? We can wait for, I think, 5 more minutes and then we can wrap up.
Sai Kumar has a question.
The one-to-one mentorship as well. Sai has a question for one section. So for the section, so for instance, Sai, if you are enrolled with us for QA and if you are facing issues with RCs and maybe say VA or maybe Parajumble, then of course we might not be able to help much. We can mentor you on a very high level about the strategies, about how you are doing, about the sources you can refer. But of course, regarding the content, as we are making the content for individual sections, we may not be able to share the content and strategy sessions with you for the other sessions. But apart from that, for any sort of mentorship, you can definitely connect to me. Kapil, one-to-one mentorship, I think I've already answered this question. Same question was raised by Tanmay as well. So yes, it's included. Any discounts available based on profile or mock scores? This is the discounted price, this random person. We didn't want to raise the price to 7,000 and then give you a discount of 1,000 or 1,500. These are the very optimal prices because you can also go back and check the ROI which you're getting. How many hours of sessions would that be it would be happening, and what all things are included. In NAM, we can discuss this offline once for batch 1. Kapil, batch size would be limited to 50 at max. Yes, as we have already discussed the curriculum of the classes, it will be live. And practice sessions, of course, you'll be getting assignments which will have good questions. You'll be solving them in a time-based format, and then those will be discussed live. Does anyone have any other question? If anyone still has any more question, you can contact me on the number mentioned above. What about ONET? Okay.
Other management entrance tests. I think
Snap
Kapil is
and
asking about.
now, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I think as we have already mentioned, for DILR, it will be only on CAT, nothing on anything else, because we don't have enough time left for CAT. It will be solely based on CAT. For QA, Rajat sir would be mentioning what things to focus on for the remaining and for the other management exams. And for VRC, it will be mostly focused around CAT. We wanted to have more sessions about CAT only syllabus. Sure, Praneeth. So regarding the discount, the full course enrolled students of batch 1, 2, 3 have a discount of 30% on the full course. Tanmay, you have to time it to yourself. It will be shared in the form of PDF. PDF would be there with you, and you'll have to put a timer and solve it in whatever time it takes you. Definitely, Kapil, looking forward to have you. Yeah, guys, I think we can wrap up now. Thank you everyone for joining. If you have any other question, you can go back and ping me on the above number. The course links are also updated on the website, which is myprepzone.com. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Shubham.
All the best.
Thank you, everybody.